Snow in August, huh? Global warming, my arm. They said it would be the land of plenty. And where's my kitty grass? Ice Age! A hungry cat is an angry cat. Like cat food is great if you're really hungry and you want to eat 2,000 or something. I think if a cat wants to remain vegetarian, they're just gonna have to go hungry. Did you hear that? Yep, it's a ghost. Like man, a hungry stomach cannot wait. Am I digesting something that had a name? Like man, I hope not.
Hey, what you eating there? Cardboard?
Like man, hunger is the best cook.
Give me some food, or you'll look like Mrs. Panda. I saw a few die of hunger, but of overeating 100,000. Oral Masters, they've given us food! Food, 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 food! Up you go, Catnip.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
Like man, you are eating horse.
Say what? No, let me sniff. Oh, I see. Gotta go back to the wives. Bye.
Yeah, I'm sure. Back to your scrapbooking too. There'll be more for us.
I don't do scrapbooking. I collect stamps. Running away too, tough guy?
Yeah, thanks to Uncle Bullfinger over there.
Hey, I heard that.
Yeah, it's nitro charged.
Oh man, come on, not again. Jesus, stink bomb, I'm out of here.
Who do you think I am? So little? Give me a break. If you can't feed 100 cats, then just feed one. Me! What are you trying to feed me? Dog food? It smells like manure.
Like mine's fine. I just recycled it.
Eat a pellet, make a pellet, eat a pellet, make a pellet.
I'm gonna try some cat. Ugh, it's not so good. Did you guys hear a ghost?
Like yeah, he's totally in the garage. By the way, camera guy, quit looking at my beep.
Dust Bunny, your food's over there.
Well, since you put it that way.
Good. Ghost!
Ghost! Camera guy, did you get it? Ah, forget it.
Like man, I told you to get that camera out of my face. Like I found some food over here, guys, that the owner didn't throw in the dirt. But I'll throw it on the dirt and eat it. Like I guess this is the awkward moment when you can't tell the difference between hunger and boredom. Like, hey, Muscles, go check it out.
I'm coming for you, Ghost.
I got you back!
Like, good luck with the ghost. Enough of this one piece at a time. Cannonball! Like, unstuck, I'm stuck. Yeah! Like, it's still better off the dirt. And the ghost was my owner getting a flu shot. A real man!